Good morning, teachers. We will see how to make duplicate form through duplicate link sent by your co-teachers. Now I have here one form that is features in MS Word, and I made a duplicate of it features in MS Word, and I gave a date 2720. So both the names are same, that's why I gave here date. Now we will see how to make duplicate form. Now for that, first you have to go on your Microsoft forms through office.com. Now you can click on a form which duplicate link you want to share. I want to share this form duplicate link, so I select this form, and when you select, you can see here share button on the top. When you click on this share button, you will see here the dialog box. In the dialog box, you will see get a link to duplicate. When you click on this, you will see here copy button. Now click on copy and you can share this link through mail or WhatsApp to your co-teachers. Now once you copy, you can paste in their mail account or on their WhatsApp. Now send it and they will see the message on their account like I send it. Now when they click on this message, they will find out this link in their message, and when you click on this link, you will see the page will open on your account, that is office.com. Now here your forms you can see on the top form. Now here one button you can see on the top, that is duplicate it, and beside that you can see duplicate this form and start to use it as your own. That means when you make this duplicate copy of this form you can use as like your own form. So when you click on it, when you click on duplicate it, you will see this page where you can see this copy. That means you copied that form in your account. Now remove this copy and use this form as it is in your Teams. But I have two same forms, so I removed here copy and I gave a date, and you can see the two forms in my account. Like one is the original form and one I make a duplicate. Now once you make a duplicate, you can share like your own form in your Teams. Now for that you have to go on your Teams and select the team in which you want to share. Now once you select the team, you can go on assignment. When you click on assignment, you can see create button, click on create, click on quiz, and when you click on quiz, you will see this box where you can find out your all forms. Now select a form which you want to share. Now click on next and you will get that form in a assignment. Now we will see how to schedule um, this assignment. Now here you can see edit button. Click on this edit button, this dialog box will appear. Now in front of schedule to assign in future, here you can see a checkbox. Select this checkbox and then you can select post date and due date, and post time and due time below that. Now remember one thing, this both the date and both the time should be same. So I selected here 22nd July 5 p.m. Date 22nd July and due time 5 p.m. That means this assignment will be scheduled on 22nd July at 5 p.m. and due date of this assignment will be 22nd July 5 p.m. That means children can start submitting the result for submitting the assignment on 22nd from 5 p.m. Now I want to close or I want to finish this exam and within an half an hour. So what you have to for that what you have to do? You have to select the checkbox in front of close date and Here you can take a date and time according to your assignment. Now I want to finish within half an hour. So I gave the same date, that is 22nd July, and close time I gave here 5:30 p.m. After that click on done, and when you go on assignment you will see here instead of assign schedule button. Click on this schedule, and when you go back in your assignment you can see in front of this assignment scheduled, and this assignment is scheduled on 22nd July and 5 p.m. Now we will see how to share marks or how to post marks obtained by children to them. Now for that I want to post marks obtained by children for about the computer. Now I will click on this, and you can see this page where the names are written in front of name, their marks. Now, when you want to post their marks to them, in front of name there is a checkbox. Select that checkbox so that all the names get selected. Now on the top right hand side you can see written button. Now in front of written you can see 39. That means you are sending this post to 39 children. That means you are posting marks to 39 children, and once you click on this will get posted, and in your assignment you can see graded 1, and when you click on this you will see you graded for this assignment for all the children. That's why all done. Yes, now I now think you understand how to go through about it. Thank you, teachers. Stay home, stay safe.